Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, October 23rd. We're looking at the last 3+ days of the SPY ETF's market profile here on Window Trader. And just very quickly, a quick thanks to Window Trader for hosting me last night on the webinar. A lot of fun. I want to thank Terry and Neary. I think it went very well. We had a very nice turnout. I want to thank all of you who attended, and most of you stayed through the whole thing. Hopefully it helps enlighten you how the profile can help your trading and what both Window Trader and CamelbackTrading.org can offer you. Okay, so let's get to what's going on today. I'm going to try to break this down in such simple terms, yet make you look like a genius when you talk to family and friends. So here we are Friday morning, and look what we are trying to accomplish since Monday at 11 o'clock. Here's Monday's trading day when we started inside of the previous Friday's, right? Friday's range, only to end with a triple distribution day when the whole thing started with the stimulus possibly not being passed. So since 11 o'clock on Friday, D's low is the bottom of the upper distribution. We have spent 3 days and now pre-market this morning attempting to take back what happened Monday and but accepted into the upper distribution. That's all we've been doing. We're in balance, monthly, weekly, daily. So when people are telling you, wow, the market was up 200 today, it was down 300, say, no, just look at them and say, the market is clearly in balance. We've attempted to take back a triple distribution day from Monday, and here we are on Friday, finally trying to get accepted inside of it. And they'll walk away shaking their head saying, wow, that person's brilliant. And guess what? You are, because 99% of traders have no idea what you're talking about. That's exactly what has been going on here for the past 3+ days, and now here we are this morning attempting to gap higher, get into the upper distribution, and more importantly, get acceptance, take out the 20th high, and finally attack that last set of single prints and get Monday's high. Remember the price probe yesterday? We closed below it. Said we won't know till the next morning if it's accepted or rejected. Well, right now, with 70 minutes to go prior to the opening, it's being accepted as we're opening above J's high. So let's go over destinations and a game plan for this morning. So I'm going to give you yesterday's high on both sides since there's still 70 minutes to go. So if we do not gap higher, 345.24 would be your first destination, yesterday's high. Then we have 345.67 daily high. Right now, our pre-market high, which I believe is 346.12, and we're trading there right now, so odds are that will be higher by 9:30. Then we have 346.88 daily high. And then the last set of single prints, 348.34, get filled at 46, and Monday's high of 349.33. For the downside, if we gap higher, we have yesterday's high of 345.24, then the price probe of 345.04, and then we don't have anything until our overnight low of 343.33 and the afternoon pullback low all the way down to 341.96. So what is the game plan? Well, even though we're attempting to get into the upper distribution for Monday, we are still in balance. Right now, gap rules will apply, and it's a very nice gap for me. It's not too large where I think the risk reward wouldn't be good to take a call play. If we are to open around the 346 level, I will be looking to take a 345 call against yesterday's high. Now, just as important, if not more important than yesterday's high, is D's low from Monday. That's the sticking point. We got above it when Pelosi made that comment on Tuesday. We did not stay above it. Look at Wednesday, we dipped our toe into it, and then that was it. And yesterday, late in the day, they made a push, but never even got close to it. So again, yes, we're above D's low from Monday, but that means nothing if we don't stay above it. So that's the key. So I would take a 345 call if we would open around this 346 level. I would be very cautious if we start getting back below D's low, and if this gap fills, I'm certainly out of the trade. Or again, I mean, yesterday's high and J's high aren't that far off. You could wait for the price probe to get rejected if you were to come in. So that would be a call play I would look for if in the next hour we gap high around this level. Now, in the next hour, if we gap even higher by another dollar or so, then again, the risk reward isn't as good for me. I would look for an inventory adjustment and then hopefully see that we hold D's low on that inventory adjustment to get long, and then go back to attack the upper end of Monday's range. There would be no call play for me right now. The only call play would be if in the next hour we don't gap higher, we open inside of yesterday's range below J's high, and then we attempt to come up and we can't take out yesterday's high, or we take it out and can't get above D's high, then I would look to take a 346 put. Any acceptance into that range, that put play would be over. Again, two very early plays here at CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room. Come and join us for $20 a month. You're getting this kind of information throughout the entire trading day while seeing the profile streamed live. And then, I'm just going to show you the daily chart. Here's your 4-day balance, last 4 days. So the upper end is 349.33. We still have a ways to go to get there, so you can still have a nice play on the long side, because then balance rules will apply. If I get closer up there, I would take my long off to see how we react at the balance high. We almost tested the 50 yesterday, came out of basically a double inside day to the downside, only to have the sellers totally rejected. Now the bulls have the ball in their court as they attempt to get to the top of the 4-day balance. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.